I think Nick certainly did have super fun with the snowplow back here, or the snowblower should I say. He has created Tanner's Crescent because he thinks the donkeys are going to come out and walk this. There's Tanner's Crescent, and this is the Poo Heap Avenue. Oh, all the way back here. Oh, so we can get the wheelbarrow with the poop back here. And then he's created, I'm not sure what he's created up here, but he's got another little area. And I think he has plans to go and create more space over here and round the trees and back down to the arena. Such fun. Well,